Hello my dear friends, in this video we will going to learn about continuity of a video, previous video. What is that? Reversible steady flow work. So we know that from a reversible steady flow work, that means work reversible is what? It is your negative inlet to exit V dp minus delta ke minus delta pe, right? So this is your work which is produced by the steady flow device. This is like turbine, pump, compressor, right? But what is the work? Reversible work which is produced by the closed system. So this is nothing, this is integration state 1 to state 2, that means I to E. There is no I or E such thing, so this is 1 to 2 because there is a closed system, PdV, right? So if we take this, change is negligible, neglect, that means 0. Take this, change is 0, change in kinetic and change in potential. So what is your reversible work for flow system device is minus I exit to entry V dp. So this is equation number first and this is equation number second. So this is also work output, this is also work output, and this is also work output. Okay, now see, we in the previous videos we will analyze like that the reversible work, this is same, that means this is reversible work for adiabatic and isothermal. Will same, this is for both same reversible work, same reversible work. So what is mean that? This is mean that, so any reversible process, so if you take any reversible process, let's suppose there is any reversible process, let's suppose there is a T and S diagrams. What is mean that? What is the physical meaning? What is the physical consequence of that? This is a TS diagram. So it is said that any reversible process can be conceptualized as succession of number of reversible adiabatic and a number of reversible isothermal, because these two are very limiting process, and using this two limit we can construct any other reversible process which may not be adiabatic or may not be isothermal, but it can be thought of as a succession of number of adiabatic and a number of isothermal process. So see, if we take any reversible process, so if you take like that any reversible process, and this reversible process is the combination of number of succession of reversible adiabatic, so it is like that, this is your number reversible, this is like that. If you take number of reversible adiabatic, number of reversible isothermal, 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 like that. So if you take averaging of this point and if you construct a line, so this is a another reversible process. So this is your another reversible process. So any reversible process, so this is your any reversible process, mind it, this is what, this is your any reversible process, any reversible process. So for any reversible process conceptualized as succession of number of reversible adiabatic and number of reversible isothermal, number of reversible adiabatic, number of reversible isothermal, number of reversible adiabatic, number of reversible isothermal, right? Because these two processes, that means reversible adiabatic and reversible isothermal process, these two are very limiting process, very limiting process, these are very limiting, and using of these two limit we can construct, using of these two limit, that means reversible isothermal, reversible adiabatic, reversible isothermal, reversible adiabatic, reversible isothermal, we can construct other reversible process, we construct other reversible process which may not be adiabatic, this any other reversible process which will may not be reversible adiabatic or may not be reversible isothermal, but it can be thought as a succession of number of adiabatic and number of isothermal. So that's why in the case of a reversible process, the work associated with the reversible adiabatic process and work associated with the reversible isothermal process is the same. Why? Because these two combined together gives a common any reversible process which may not be reversible isothermal and reversible adiabatic. This is the any other process, but that any other process is combination of infinitely small succession of reversible adiabatic process, reversible isothermal process, again reversible adiabatic process, reversible isothermal process. Hence, what is that? Hence, for any reversible process can thought of as a number of reversible adiabatic process and number of reversible isothermal, right? So this is number first. So if you do like that, so for any reversible process steady flow with single stream we can write as, so for any reversible process but steady flow any but steady flow with single stream we can write as what is that? W reversible is equal to minus integration I to E V dP minus delta Ke minus delta Pe, right? If this will neglect, so we can write that W reversible is equal to minus I to E V dP. This is your reversible work output, very important, mind it, reversible work output in steady flow device, in steady flow device. So work done. So see, so what is the meaning of this? What is this work? What is this work? It is displacement of boundary? No, it is not a displacement of boundary. So what is the function of this work? This is very important, I'm telling you. So work done, this is nothing, this is work done to maintain the flow in presence of pressure. That means what is the work will associated to maintain that flow? To maintaining that flow, this work will associated with the steady flow device. But what is this work? W reversible, it is also 1 to 2 PdV. This is also work done. This is also work done due to displacement of a boundary. Due to displacement of a boundary of system boundary. Due to displacement of a system boundary. This is due to displacement of the system boundary, but this is due to maintaining the flow in presence of pressure. So this is the difference. This is also work output, this is also work output if the dV is positive. So these two are very different, don't confuse. So this is your work output, and this is your expansor. If work input device like compressor, this is a work output. So if work input device like compressor, so if work input like compressor, so this work, reversible work in, it is nothing, it is positive, I E V dp. This is your positive work, this is your positive, this is work in, this is work in. So let us assume that, very important discussion this is. So this is, so what is the difference between these three? Let take this one. There is one table, make one table. This is your work steady flow device. One is the first one is the displacement of a boundary of system boundary. Other is steady flow device. Flow device. Okay. So this is keep in mind. So displacement of a boundary, what is the reversible work? So work reversible is equal to 1 to 2 PdV, right? And what is the steady flow device? W reversible is equal to minus integration I to E V dp. So What is the difference? This is your inlet exit. This is your within the system. That means system 1 to system 2. That means there is a process 1 to 2, but this is inlet or exit. This is inlet to exit. This is not a process. This is inlet to the fluid and exit to the fluid, and this is a process at 1 to 2. So this is displacement. So this is your output, and if you take like that, W reversible is I to E V dP. This is your input. So this is your like turbine, and this is your compressor or pump, right? And this is your displacement of a boundary. That means if this is your system, and system will exerts a pressure, and if this is the system will displaced. So this is a displacement of a boundary. This work is due to displacement of a boundary, right? This is displacement. So this is a displacement work, and this is a steady flow work. And steady flow work for a reversible steady flow work, the isothermal work and reversible adiabatic work will same. Now if we consider like that, if you consider working fluid which is in and out is incompressible. Let is if the working fluid is incompressible, like water, so what is that? Volume is constant. So if volume is constant, so what is the reversible work? We know that I to E V dP, right? If V is constant, so it is outside from the integration, I to E dP, and what is that? Minus V P exit minus P inlet, right? And if there is an incompressible, so and what is the specific volume? 1 by density. So what is that? Minus P exit by density plus P inlet by density. So this is your, if we take, let delta Ke and delta Pe not be 0. Take. So we know that W reversible out is what? Minus I to E V dP minus delta Ke minus delta Pe, right? So what is that? So if the fluid is incompressible, so what is that? This is what? If the fluid is incompressible, so this is your minus Pe by rho plus Pi by rho, right? Minus, what is the change in kinetic energy? V final minus V initial. This is your velocity. Mind it. V initial is square by 2. What is the potential energy? G ZE minus ZI, right? So we can write like that, Pi by rho plus Vi square by 2 plus GZI is equal to Pe by rho plus VE square by 2 GZE plus W reversible out, right? Okay, so this is your equation for incompressible fluid, right? This is the equation of incompressible. See the beauty of this equation. See, it is a sort of mechanical energy conservation equation. So this is the mechanical energy at inlet, pressure, flow work, flow energy, kinetic energy plus potential energy, and this is mechanical energy at exit. So it is a sort of a mechanical energy conservation. Looks like a Bernoulli equation. This is look like a Bernoulli if we take W reversible out is 0. So it is look like a Bernoulli equation. So it is Bernoulli equation if this is 0. So is it a Bernoulli equation? Question mark. Is Bernoulli equation? The answer is no. Here, my dear student, many book and many YouTube channel, they have a big mistake. This is not a Bernoulli equation. Though there is a mechanical energy conservation, but it is not a Bernoulli equation. Why? Because Bernoulli equation is applied between 2 points. Bernoulli equation is applied between 2 points. That is 1 and 2. There is a 2 points along a streamline. But here, this is not a 2 point. Here it is I to E. It is not a point. It is a section. There is an inlet section, there is an exit section. This is not a point, it is a section. So here I and E are not 2 points. It is not a 2 points. So there are 2 sections. These are points and these are sections. It represents gross mechanical energy between 2 sections. If it is reversible, then there is no dissipation. So its mechanical energy, so what is that? Its mechanical energy, if it is reversible, so this is not dissipation. So mechanical energy at section I is equal to mechanical energy at section E plus some work that could be extracted. If work is extracted is 0, so it is a sort of a mechanical energy balance. Mechanical energy at section I is the same as the mechanical energy at section E. So this is the mechanical energy balance, but it is not a Bernoulli equation. Why? Because Bernoulli equation is applicable. Bernoulli equation is applicable between 2 points along a stream, but it is not a 2 point. It is a section I to section E. So it is not a form of Bernoulli equation. It is a sort of a mechanical energy balance. It is a sort of a, see, it looks like a Bernoulli equation. But this is not a Bernoulli equation because Bernoulli equation is applied between 2 points along a streamline. But here I and E are 2 points, are not 2 points. There are 2 sections. It represents gross mechanical energy between 2 sections. If it is reversible, so it is reversible. then there is no dissipation, then there is no any loss. So it is the mechanical energy at section I is equal to mechanical energy at section E plus some work that could be extracted, right? If there is no work extracted, that means if work extracted is zero, there is no any work extracted. If you assume like that, there is no any work extracted, so exactly the mechanical energy at the section I is the same as the mechanical energy of the section E, right? So this is very important. It is not a Bernoulli equation, right? This is not a Bernoulli equation. See, my dear son, this is very important. I'm telling you, this is very important. It is look like a Bernoulli equation, but it is not a Bernoulli equation. Okay, thank you.